Hi, I will show you how to carry out a two-point calibration of the cell growth and biomass sensor OU-SBT66 with the Liquiline CM44P. A calibration can be performed with liquid calibration standards or with a filter kit. In this video, this filter kit will be used. It includes two clip-on filters which are NIST traceable. However, some deionized water is still needed for setting a new optical zero point afterwards. More about that later. As there are only filters and no dangerous chemicals used, this procedure doesn't require personal safety equipment. Just make sure you do not touch the filter glasses directly. The sensor must be clean and free of coatings, and the system must be powered for at least 15 minutes to ensure the sensor is ready to go. First, enter the absorption values from the certificate into the sensor input menu in the calibration settings. Enable the filter option by selecting yes and enter the filter values. Switch to the calibration menu and start the two-point calibration. Double-check if the filter values are set correctly and press OK. Leave the sensor in air, protected from any disturbing light sources, and wait for the signal to get stable. Press OK. Clip on the calibration filter and wait until the signal gets stable again. Press OK. Exchange the calibration filter with the verification filter. And wait for the signal to get stable again. Press OK. Then remove the verification filter and protect the sensor against disturbing light and wait for the signal to get stable in air. Press OK and finish the two-point calibration. On the last screen, you will get information about the current deviation between the verification filter value and the adjusted calibration curve. According to the calibration certificate, the specified deviation is between 0 and 8.6%. Press OK. All that is left to do is set a new optical zero point. But why? The previous calibration process required a dry sensor in air, but the absorption of air and water differs slightly. The sensor operates in liquid medium, so we need deionized water for our zero point. This can be done in the calibration menu. Now, put the sensor in a beaker with deionized water. It is important to make sure that there are no air bubbles in the measurement slit. Wait for the signal to get stable and press OK. Our calibration is now complete. If you want to see how you can adapt the measurement to the process medium, for example with a linearization table using samples, check out the video linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay calm, stay calibrated, and keep measuring. See you next time.